Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about important battery message on iPhone like iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you are seeing this message that says important battery message on your iPhones like iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14 or 15, here I will show you how can you get rid of this. So guys, basically this is a message for you that your battery health is significantly degraded. So guys, he can read this easily. The important battery message says your battery's health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. So guys, basically this is not a problem, this is just an information for you that your battery's health is not good and it is significantly degraded and it is not performing very well. So guys, basically you have to simply replace the battery of your iPhone. If you are getting this message or this information on your iPhone, you have to simply change the battery of your iPhone, and after this message will disappear. So basically this is a message for you. You have to simply replace the battery of your iPhone if you are facing this message again and again. So guys, from here if you tap on find your service options, you can get service options from the Apple team as well. So guys, here you will see this. Here you can see this: schedule a repair, find a local Apple authorized service provider. So as if you tap on this, then you will get a service provider contact number for contact to replace the battery of your iPhone. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem on your iPhones. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.